Good afternoon. I wanted to make a short little video on how I'm giving students in grade 9 applied math, multiple chances to complete their homework assignments in D2L. So what I do is I give homework assignments in the form of short little quizzes. One of the first ways I give students more chances to complete their work or extra chances to try their work is using using the randomization option in D2L. So say I head into my question library. So this is a list of quizzes that I've created. Um, if I head into my question library, okay, so if I look at a multiple choice question, you'll see that with this multiple choice question, they have four options. One way to give them multiple opportunities to complete this question is to click this randomize options box. If you do that, and granted that you don't give the students or don't show the students the solution to the answer on their first attempt, they can complete this question again, and the answers will be in different orders. So they do have to consider each answer as a viable alternative to the answer to the question. Okay, so that's one of the first ways that you can randomize, that you can give students multiple opportunities, and it's also a great way to prevent students from copying each other's work if they're completing quizzes right next to each other. I want to explore a second way to give students multiple chances to complete questions in D2L for grade 9 applied mathematics. So, the first example we looked at was randomizing our multiple choice answers so that they have a second opportunity or third opportunity to complete an answer. As long as we haven't shown them the answer to the question, they could try it again. So a second way to kind of generate a new type of question is to use parameters. Okay, so if I head into my question library, one of the great I think this is a fabulous way to create questions in D2L is to create an arithmetic type question. So if I have a look at one of the ones I've made, so this symbol 2 plus 2 shows that it's an arithmetic question. If I head into my question, you'll see that I said if x equals, and I have this parameter x, what is the total for the expression parameter a x plus parameter b x? One of the nice things is that obviously my answer is in the form of a formula. Okay, so once I know the value for my parameter x and I know the parameters for a and b, then my solution to this problem will be a times x plus b times x. Okay, and if I test this out, you'll see that for the parameter a equals 8.2 and b equals 8.5 and x equals 4, the solution to my problem is negative 66.8, and I have a little bit of I don't have much of a range here. Okay, so and one of the ways you set that up is by using these little curly braces here, and those signify that that the question is going to change or put a value for that parameter based on how you lay the parameters out below. Okay, so here I have three parameters in the question, have a, b, and x, and I wanted to have decimal values for a and b, and you'll see that my values range from, I didn't want any zeros, so I have from 0.5 to 9.5 up to 1 decimal place, and they go up by 0.1 each time. Okay, and I have the same values for b. Okay, and my x values range from negative 20 to 20, and I have also included 0 there, so there is the chance that we could have a 0 value, and those numbers step up by 1. Okay, so if we have another look at that question, just to get a sense of what it looks like after we've had those parameters. So there's a look at the question. This is a parameter x, this is a parameter a, and this is a parameter b. Okay, so if we head into the preview again, Preview down here at the bottom. So if x equals negative 16, what is the total for the expression 6.5x plus 6.3x? Okay, and you'll see that the answer for this expression is negative 204.8. So if I just close this, I just want to show you that that if I preview this question again, the question will be completely different. Okay, so now if x is equal to negative 18, and you know, what is the total for the expression 6.6x plus 5.2x? And once again, it calculates my answer. So you know, I'm testing the same expectation here, the same concept, yet I'm changing the numbers around a little bit so that the student has another chance to attempt this question, and they could attempt it multiple times. They could attempt it 50 times and they would probably never get the same answer. So it's a great way to give students a way to practice, and also to give them instantaneous feedback for their work. Okay, so I love this. It's great, and I think it's kind of changed the way that I can do and mark math in D2L. Okay.